But it's the time to explore other side of Eastern region. And you want to say, we are seeing for the new car. Come some for your juice. And tell someone try so whether that mango juice.
Oh, yeah, 544.
Okay.
9.
I say no dear no.
Chronobiji matcha me today. In a Somanya Ogome, Agrican.
I've met one of my family. She's a Guan from Apredi Okuapem. Okay, Korea.
Joyce.
Uncle Fumuda. Okay.
I'm passing my skin in Bassant.
Me was Somanya Ogome. Yanka farmers nanka omunya factories and company do ha.
Okay.
I be processing
mango.
Crayon play.
On your day.
I very can. Go back Somanya. One agbeli mo. Apia mo. Kama danka agbeli kotom renomi. Then you money and ka balo you are warning.
For about 4 days, all I can say is that though there are rumors some places that we are bad that.
It's born number send will be pay over for an assist.
Okay. 059 80.
Amen, you lie, my friend. Why about here? You get madam to moon work with me to aim your arm here about here.
No, okay. Remember, I didn't remember.
And I said, a man who fancy Bemani for Faba. No man, I knew.
How do you
let me quite as you know.
What you transfer? All right, so it's time to explore Eastern region. We are not done with Okuapem yet, but I have to go beyond Okuapem. Still, Okuapem remains the one. If you feel that. But it's the time to explore other side of Eastern region. I come carry Eastern region from my shoulder. You know how I go through run on sharp. So today, we are in Somanya, Krobo land. We are here to explore the mango city. The whole Ghana, if you want correct mango, come to Eastern region, Somanya, Krobo. You understand? All right, so without wasting much time, let's get close to the mango vendors and talk to them. The prices and other stuff. So Charlie, let's go and talk to them. And call. We get one of the most beautiful ladies, Somanya, Krobo. What's it? I say, Auto Mango. So we want to run advert for her for free. Everyone
Margaret.
Margaret. Where are you school?
You look Rosia.
Where you? Oh, okay. Two students, right? Zuma media na wangasa wode. Uma media. Enti pese me advert ma so bi pe bi ato ana say bi sa na wa free. Tweet na ba ma na ma na me available bia.
Okay. Me
bon number no.
0544.
Okay.
977223.
Okay, enti mango na yan.
Yeah, 50.
Share wa. Yana 50 no.
I 50.
50.
100.
70. Oh, okay.
But
Okobodi here dey.
Papa.
Oh, okay. It's better watch me kobo kasa ni. One say.
Niti kobo.
Who of five can say kobo? Oh hey for. Okay. But some dey here. What you be feel can am share? What you be feel? That's my language, the one language. What you be feel?
Oh hey feel.
What you be feel?
Oh hey.
Okay, thank you very much. Ciao.
Yo, yeah, jiso.
Me sha we ahene beat no. Nti we have moody am the friend. We moody friends eh.
A friend no taka na chaka.
Any chaka. The other chance na say we beat me to sisi.
O debi.
We dey ensan kwa ni
okay.
Nti we na dey to sisi ni bi. As we mu kwa na we.
Ase no de no.
Nge na to we no bi. Okay. Nti we say no ahin.
We say no.
Obi betu akoton a
say me tono mi no
22 okay the 2 say ni
to no be 30 Ghana
oh okay and na do to come na
they do to come no so be say 35
okay into one
na 40
okay into one we ye bibia na wo fa na ketenkete say na wa be hye
Kofano. We yenu. Oh, my son in England. Yenu say Kotokro. Anyway, Susa.
I think Koto will okay. Into Bonamo, we pay to be an answer, Missa.
Me no my 0544
0544
69 09 23.
Oh, okay. But you didn't Ukobodin yet.
Ukobodin Dema.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
Morning.
And I Okrobo. So I want you to tell them like then omu name fa krobo and I said then I say hu fa krobo for and I say Somanya.
She ana krobo.
O person ka krobo. Ka krobo. Na so ka yenti ase o. O de o ka twi wi na ka krobo no. Oh. Ti then I want ma person hu.
Oh, aha oba ha. Ya me wa ha.
Beat
wa ha.
Okay.
Ana ya wo
More
cassava farms.
Cassava farming waha. Okay.
We have plantain.
Okay.
Okra, garden essence.
Okay. Okay. Into we are full. Unko fumuda.
Unko fumo.
Unko fana unko fum.
Oh,
she. Okay.
Me pasa me skin be sent unko fum.
Be your skin be say. As unko fuma unko bi go twa.
Lebi. Me hom be twtwa nti me unko fum.
Inti wana onkodo banche no nakoto mo na fa be banku ni di
oh me papa e banche me papa ankasa na be
but mbere mari ye embre o do be embre mamba ari se embre mamba
na se e ma na e wo fie nti be ma ni kofa ba na e ma na nua
na se me no na e bobra e bubra bo nti o de kakraba na so me kakraba do majority be depend wo me so
na sa o de ba na me nua mo
a o de ko yi
na me kwa nye eju no
o de twa so nya o kan no ka okrobo mu about the family
ikwa fa iken ko ba Somanya wan agbeli mo apio moe ka madan ka agbeli ko tomre no mi ne nyumu ne angon ka ba loko yuwo ho ni
all right, thank you. What's your name?
Mary.
Okay, nti bonda for ni bi na chiom
me cha madam for Perpetua.
Okay.
Madam for Roseline.
Okay.
Madam for Gestina.
Okay.
Asa.
Now na one na madam for.
Madam for Rita.
Fashion so no beso go. Look fashion so.
Madam for Rita. Madam for Ruth. Beta. Enemy my sister. Madam Ruth.
All right. Me da was be can say Somanya krobo mu. Me da was be
Mochumka
me de no say me na won kwa bebre kana mhwe me na won kwa bebre bebre all right, thank you very much. Pani ba shomi chiao
o me do so
what you din here
Mr. White.
Oh, okay. It's about Somanya. A day now, unya yanke wo Somanya. I said then wo Somanya ba ka kire amanfo na say this.
Oh, so far. The anka ba kuma ba buti ma boy say I say krum ha na adwuma bi an shira ni ha. Apart from your business in kakaka and the farmers no mo ye manwo adwuma wa ha anti ye nyanka farmers nanka omunya factories ana company do ha.
Okay.
I be processing mango.
Maybe I ain't drink and I say use and I use.
Okay. So far so no. Abadi amako mako. Na mebunu so anya adwuma ye.
Sure.
Ba ko say omo harvest mango na
na be fa ko.
Enti na ko say fa so bi an sheda.
Ni so
e ma wa.
Say bi sa na some consult say impanyfo na bi MP MC and say DC ni sango for no.
E ko ba na sa so ko say politics. Na ko say politics.
Azu.
Enti no impanyfo na nka say omo de omo adwen etwemo nanka. Omo ye e de boa oman no timi e koso.
Right.
Ni nyina na akogina yen businessmen no so enti be kukura ntu entimi enkoso
timi.
Alright, e face challenges fa nti mo betimi dia akọ farm ya ga be boy.
All Ora pani say na auto spare parts tie na ma auto ha no say we pe bia na wa from number.
So far ope car bia ye fe no Toyota Vit ehun no ma na oba ha obetimi anya bi
Toyota Vit ni man kwa na auto ha.
enya no kwa ton other cars nso de e wa no ha.
It's in general auto spare parts one.
Yeah,
Ti ba
spare parts.
But number no na change exact location wo so manya ha na.
Me number na 0244.
Okay.
08
Okay.
20
Okay.
72.
Okay.
Shop no dey it is well spare part shop.
It is well. Ti ba cho wo emphasize wo so manya.
So far ha na ye ogome. Ogome ntinu either to bet maga say oba Ogome Brigade and our King's Pizza opposite.
Okay. All right. I hear that.
Okay. Good damn.
Usin ko siana kan say okrobo mu.
Kungori.
Ingori.
Kungori.
Inkori.
Kungwo.
Ri. Okay. Ya de ne yefono kana mje. Fono. Que for saying?
Babies.
Maybe so ko mpe ko bodino.
Crocodile.
Jabako. Oh, okay. Migre Tongo.
Upe.
Migre Tongo. Tongo, Moko. Mako no kan say? Kwara. Oh, okay.
Upe Samula. Jene
no kan say? Asabolai. Oh, okay. Petu. Nyo two mo kan say ko bom. Enyo. Oh, okay. That any enyo. Can I say?
Nyo.
You're good.
Warrior Kai. We are going to actually come.
A buy me, nobody buy any.
Blah, we are not come over my Masai frost.
I blow like it.
I flow piano. Remember, go here, can't go and see you. Onenya. Blow me and they say, go and look at my ass.
Then how can I say?
Yeah.
And how to
Debbie. Get talo. Amen, my. Amen, you lie, my. Why about here? You get my dem to moon work with me to aim your arm, I hear about here.
No, okay. No, I got you.
Well, yeah, you must speak up here. Then we get bug and got it. Then
I got you. Who's the
I blood me.
Man back home. Namoko, man back home can say.
Hale kaki. Yesu. Hale kaki.
Okay, it's back here kaki. Namoko, can I say? Namoko. Mekasa no beka na namoko.
Mu go na anya nyesa.
Tapi oyegbe o.
Emili bi.
Bile madu akwa penu sede.
Mengasa kwa pem seden. Akwa pem.
Ekia pem.
You.
Okay. Ebi.
Ye ta ma bla.
Brownie wa. Imo de.
What's the name? Then I'll go in.
Efrem Rebecca Atama.
Nyasamina lo.
Ingesaminya o. Mo ngesaminya.
All right though. Ba wo se mutun ton mango a mbese me advert man. Mutun na say bia. Nya wa show adim na yan.
Me wo nya ma hye no no. Akasia no e wa 100 cedis.
Akasia top de no.
Top de no 100 cedis.
Okay.
And na the edition no 70.
Where 70?
Na
where?
And na work. And so 70. Down no 50.
Down here 50. Okay. Nti obi betimi abetu bia koton ana.
Obi betimi abetu.
Okay. Nti ba ona ma say di obi pe bia kotu
okay.
atona msa.
Ina ma 0242 53 16
Okay. Nti Somanya haya na wo na say wo abi for na ya.
Bi wo Somanya haya.
Okay. Uyo kroboni.
Bi kroboni.
Krobodi yen den.
Saakwo. Achemi saakwo.
Ye fro saakwo. Saakwo no was as a chere ana say unim.
asikyerɛ no yɛ krobo mu
the chairman beze
te sɛ ɔba ɔdi kan mienu
okay sakoro
saakin kɛ saakin ne yɛ di kan
okay
ɔba ɔdi kan ɔba ba ɔdi kan
okay
ɛna saakoro ne yɛ ne ɔdi na ɔtɔ so
anti ɔba mo ka ne sɛ mo ka sɛ yo okay ɛna akɔ yɛ den
Kuo ni ye tebia ni odi echire.
Okay. All right. So wakwe kobori ni den na amanfo ennim fa kobo ho apese yehu anase den na ewo so manya ha no apese yehu.
Oh. Ni ewo so manya ha de mango ye wo mango farm wa ha.
Okay.
Nti mango nti ama ye ma na ye wo kobo kromu. Ye mango business.
Okay.
Nti obi bia ope mango ato ana obi bia ope dia tu kwan ni ope se otukoton wo ba bibia no. Oba so menya oba be nego
nti se me to ase basically mu ye mango farming
mango farming
nti won say sisi anu yasin ko nanum kakra mo samanfo ye juice nti ade nti won try so be da mango juice
oh yeah season ni ba season ni off season off season
mango ko po ni nti se mango ba pa we ni be san
we ni be 50 Ghana na
ba pa
sa na eto no nti off season nti na ama ye ni de juice ni nyama be ye wo ye pa
nti wo ye
mi ye ma amanfo omo pefa
okay
ye ma amanfo mo
mi era wase wa bo na ma ntemu hia bi o mefro
ba cho you
okay boss mi chao
mi jo
bajo di ni ere
bajo mi di Samuel apite ba shop ni di True Christ yes sir
True Christ oh true and I say true Christ okay because me ko bodi ni ere
mi ko bodi ni kwajo
bajo kasane ni kakra
mi ko bodi ni kwajo yes sir
kwajo dey say kwajo normal name like me ko bodi no
mi di tete
that's it okay me also we have furnitures ni ma wa we say o sha price na and out in price no
we dey ni born da form 2007
oh 2007 okay it will be here be obeti it will be there order okay nti ba ona ma no se na obi pe bia na say bisa
me number no 0249385932
all right nti then apart from wardrobe the chest and then be na otimi dey me come on mami
me roofing me cabinet me boss ceiling me nyama bebre coffee cram me obi share me am here
obi share out me here
but no dey me yes yo
okay I don't know when you so
no dey sheda nye me yisa
okay nti no so manya infasa na obi ba
me was so manya ogome
okay bani yara wase nti nya okan no mpesa okan okobo kasa ni mo mi yese no kan nyina
nana nga dey kuti oji carpentry shop obi ayi True Christ na ni na wapioji wapio wardrobe wapio sen wapio ni fu na cabinet hu pie roofing chope lo ke mo no hia no ko kan ni ko me kan jan ko ba True Christ carpentry shop on ne mo so ko
on your true so I was having to be for furniture ni carpentry work here with me I am but just about so the True Christ
yes sir
company and enterprise I say True Christ
carpentry shop
easy so we say for offer na mana na bibia bibia be nya bi na ma se be
that must
Rosen
sorry from Regina
me pe kobodin
dede
okay nti then na kan bankurai
ani
betimi edi bi answer na makom
oh betimi
banku mo different way am pronounce no kobo banku na
assemblyman
assemblyman assemblyman
yeah
Ghana no man na say son am friend no
oh like to say when they your friend who be no assemblyman who comes assemblyman
so many obi won say banku wow okay internet ya about we so many nti pese amanfu hu ne wa hanom anase ne apese omu hu about the Kobo people anase so many wa hanom say today na wa hanom about amanfu hu anase ba chiro
oh okay crayon sick play
ono ya den
This is a festival.
Okay, movie festival.
Yeah.
No, ya mo yeden during the festival mo yeden.
You celebrating I call people no so.
Okay, but na first no mo tin no. Okay, some people different say.
On a Kroyon Siklem.
Koye Siklem.
Kloyon Siklem.
Okay, inti bi da so te wana so bi anti we so ya.
Oh, bi anti ho.
Ba mo
festival na ane.
You didn't tell ya mo yes festival.
I say ya be kai say ya kwati no ho.
But like then month na ya mo yes festival.
November.
Until this year mo be call. Never na do ma call.
Oh, my. Wonderful. Okay, when me greet me Teresa, Angela, ke aye fun ibi ni won try bie. Omodoso. Okay. Make sure when you bring about tipa. Nti wo bon na mo bi pese obo ni team na na visa. Nti me mom na
bon na ma na bi obi here service.
0598 959265.
Oh, okay. Udi angasa say de ko bodi here. Dede. Okay. Mate. Madam is saying.
Pastor.
So you ko ni sa.
Pastor.
Utina bon be se mitu aka no.
Mbrase.
Nti waji skana na wonje.
Meje.
Meje.
Chrono gym atem kokko. Inye Somanya ogome. Asabo.
Bueno, Kabi Fakobo. We first say Kabi Fakobo.
Chrono gym atem dede. Inye Somanya ogome. Agrican. Each one if you yi idwa omo. If friends dede koko mamle kosiko naki you're fine. Regina.
Obodo zo. Bebre ba kan say okobom.
Gidi man.
Pasha. Okay. Bida wasen so e. Mochum pa. Wase ade na so say sa. Onya semina melo.
Enye Samina.
Ubisa Samina so what say?
Usu. Mo nga Samina lo.
What's your name?
Prisla.
Oh, okay. Where you company, right? Okay, so let me say advert mango no ya hin bo number so no be
Oh, okay. Me mango no 50 cedis, me was 70. And me was 100.
100 any. Okay. Enti bo number say no be pay or be for na say this.
Okay. 059 80 42 713.
All right, enti ka okobo mu say kobo fo to mango wo jansion wo mbra be to be ka bia
ko inga mango funga mi no ke mo fe ko no mango layo o ba yo no no ba he inga mango mo fun hulo. Thank you very much.
Okobodi ere Dede. Okay. That's it. Dede, thank you very much.
Welcome.
All right, so we're still in Krobo. So many. Madam is saying, "Come on, man." What's this? I'm doing it. I don't know what's this. Yeah, Portia. Okay, internet. So many. Then I'll pass a month in who far from a phone one. I say so many. What is that?
No. The more be my no ga popular
about 4 days. All I can say is that though there are rumors some places that we are bad at, when you get to this place, you see that there are good people, friendly, nice, kind, and it's entertaining.
And what?
That's all you can
say. All right, so just give shout out, mention some of your friends and.
Well, shout out to my best friend, my childhood friend, Forgive. Then my other two friends, Rose, then Belinda.
What's the name? Maybe. So what's the Kobo name? What's the Kobo name? You Kobo name? What's the Kobo name? Samokwa.
No.
Pronounce this word for me.
Sangbokwo.
So it's Sangbokwo.
What's the meaning?
No.
You have to ask your parents.
Yeah, I think I'll ask.
I've met one of my family. She's a Guan from Apredi Okuapem. Okay, Korea.
Joyce.
Apredi for you.
Any Presby Janshina Alabat.
We Presby Janshina. At the Munium.
At the mini Florence, because by my grandma The Yateria.
Yateria. Oh, okay. No, I told we are say over fete butomo bi no aprede.
Mini ito. Na ni ito. Afia da buto na ni ito.
Wuni ito. Okay, no Somanya to ni ya. No, baby, aprede.
Oh, maybe once in a while.
What's the last time I told me that?
Last week.
Last week.
Yeah, me been beating baby tram na mini.
Oh. No, Danny aprede fu yan munya no bi akompe. Mama say
Okay. Maybe I can me grandma. Yateria.
Okay. Omane. Mena fu aprede ya. Ube ndebo ta. Ato anu debo. No kakoba.
Me debo akra ye me kan.
Kako. Jambo na meka.
Okay, so
if the one now no then one for say buta no kabu probote.
Okay, I tell Joyce. Tabicology mole ba in here you more joining your love. Lana more for in me when Margaret, she's my best friend, Lana more for ne ida holo okay more Florence Cookwe.
Yeah, bye bye. So Mango de unko ni fe na say uni na mabunda so the na makwete se ni jango so me 3 man aso tokoya.
Okay, so if you want to purchase some of the mango, you can call us on 0543241230 or 0530516892.
All right, thank you very much. What's your name?
I'm Joyce.
Joyce what?
That's a Joyce. But you can call me Teria.
Teria, you and Teria.